This video explains how to set the index of a data frame as the x-axis values in a ggplot2 plot using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame, as you can see in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new data set called data is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that we have created a data frame that contains 6 rows, but only one column, which is called y. This column contains numeric values, and then on the left side you can see that the index values of our data frame range from 1 to the number of rows. Now, if we want to draw these data in a ggplot2 plot, we also need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 5 and 6 of the code. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 6 of the code. And then in the next step we can use the ggplot and geomcol functions to create a bar chart of our data. And in this case we also specify our data frame as the data set that we want to use in our ggplot2 plot. And then within the aesthetics of our ggplot2 plot function, we specify the y variable to be equal to the values in our data set. And the x variable is specified to be equal to a range between 1 and the number of rows of our data frame. And by doing this, we are setting the x-axis values in our plot to be equal to the index values in our data frame. So let's run these lines of code. And then you can see at the bottom right that we have created a bar plot, and this bar plot shows the values in our index on the x-axis of this bar plot. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.